Welcome. In this video, we'll guide you through the updated steps to enable the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. This feature enhances your browsing experience by providing personalized suggestions based on your usage. Let's dive right in. First, open your Chrome browser. You can find the Chrome icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once it's open, we're ready for the next step. Next, click on the three dots located at the top right corner of the browser window. This icon is often referred to as the menu icon, and will give you access to various options. After clicking the three dots, scroll down to Settings. This will take you to a new page, where you can adjust various settings related to your browsing experience. Now that you're in the Settings menu, look for the option labeled Toolbar Shortcut. This section allows you to customize what appears on your toolbar for quick access. Here comes the important part. Choose based on your usage. This option enables Chrome to tailor its recommendations based on how you interact with different sites and features. By selecting this, you'll start seeing suggestions that are more relevant to your browsing habits. And that's it. You've successfully enabled the recommendation icon on Google Chrome. This small change can significantly improve how you navigate and find information online, making your browsing experience smoother and more efficient. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks about Google Chrome and other tech tools. Thank you for watching, and happy browsing.